And I'm seeing this kind of thing going on everywhere, all over the main roads. I wonder what it is they're installing. Well, let's take a look. I used to install for AT&T broadband years ago. Somebody is Corning optical cable. Pretty fresh. It's from July 20th, production date. Some numbers I can look up there for more detail. Gel free, the temperature, and the footage right there. Anyway, show you what else I see. Running this everywhere. One second. And then here's the caps, I guess. I see this beside all the main roads. I see this. And especially as soon as the lockdown went in place, it's like these construction crews just went crazy installing this stuff. A lot of ditch diggers, ditch witches. You know, this is the 4-inch stuff, AT&T PVC conduit. So anyway, are you seeing this in your town too? This is just outside of Austin, but I'm seeing it through all Austin too. We got these little flags here. Fiber, huh? You think this has anything to do with the new 5G stuff, or is this a different project altogether? Let me know what you're seeing and what you know. Thank you.